Welcome to the sliding filament theory. This right here is actin filaments, and the Z line, which inside is myosin, and here are the myosin heads. Now see, this point is relaxed and polarized and needs calcium so that it can be depolarized and can continue. The Z line on the sarcomere separates the dark bands, which is the actin filaments and the myosin, and the light bands, which is only the active filaments. When action potential from the motor neuron arrives, ACH or acetylcholine will depolarize the sarcomere. Proteins tropomyosin and troponin, with these other ones, are blocking the active site so that the myosin heads cannot bind to the active site on the active filaments. After the action potential from the motor neuron arrives and the sarcomere is depolarized, the calcium ions are brought in and can remove removes the tropomyosin. After this, the myosin heads can bind to the actin filament, causing the myosin heads to tilt and slip past them as the sarcomere contracts. The myosin heads will bind to the active filaments using ATP and forming an actomyosin bridge. As the myosin heads attach to the actin filaments, they will tilt and filaments will move past them, and after this, myosin heads will detach and calcium ions that we used earlier will go back to the sarcoplasmic reticulum, and the process can start again.